Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
So formal and informal greeting. Formal, professional setting. Informal, a cozy setting, a comfortable setting. So on the board, we have examples of formal and informal, like an exercise that we're going to work together. And this section is written formal and this section is written informal. And then we have a bunch of examples here, as you can see, a bunch of examples here, about 6. And we need to work together to figure out which setting is formal and in which setting do you use an informal way to greet people, to salute people. Okay? And I told you all that anything that is professional, someone that you're meeting for the first time, it is much more a formal setting. But someone that you're used to, that you're comfortable with, family, friends, mates, and all that, it is more of an informal kind of setting. It's much more comfortable, much more relaxed. And so the first one is meeting someone for the first time. So if you're meeting someone for the first time, how should your salutation or your greeting be? Should it be yo, 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 what's up? Or should it be good afternoon, sir, good afternoon, ma'am, how are you doing? Which one would that be if you're meeting someone for the first time? You're right, that would be the formal setting. So this will be formal, okay? Okay, you're seeing a friend. Mind you, it's a friend, that you've met before, that you're hanging out with, and you're seeing that friend. How will your salutation be? You can go by saying, hey, yo, what's up? What's chilling? What's popping? You okay? How you doing? Hello. That's a friend. So it goes with an informal way of greeting. Okay, so you're hosting an assembly. An assembly, host, ça signifie que tu organises quelque chose. So you are the host. You're the host. C'est toi qui organise. And this time around, you're organizing or you're hosting an assembly, an assemblée. Un assemblée, ça signifie qu'il y a un rassemblement des gens. And so when you're hosting an assembly, you've got to be formal. You've got to be formal. Giving a speech. A speech, c'est un discours. Tu fais un discours. It's giving a speech. En anglais, on dit you're giving a speech. Even though en français, c'est faire un discours. So when you're giving a speech, do you have to be formal or informal? Because they haven't given the audience, on n'a pas mentionné l'audience, so we have to guess that it has to be a formal setting. And so we will go with a formal setting. You're seeing your classmates. Ce sont tes camarades de classe. Tu vas aller voir tes camarades de classe. Est-ce que rester professionnel ou bien rester cool? Do you have to be so professional or you just have to be friendly and cozy? Yes? So you go with informal. So you're informal. You're seeing your parents. Tu peux avoir rendre visite à tes parents. With your parents. That's family, that's friends, that's chilling, that's friendly. So it is an informal. So it is informal. So now you get to know the difference. Okay? Here we have 4 sentences. Okay? And we're going to label which one is formal and which one is informal. Look at the first one. Hey. Déjà, ça commence avec hey. How is it going? Would that be formal or informal? Informal. Because it starts with hey. It's not professional. C'est pas professionnel. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On a dit good evening, c'est propre. On n'a pas coupé en soi disant evening, y'all, or evening, everyone. They said good evening, ladies and gentlemen. La phrase est complète. Quand une phrase est complète, when a sentence is complete, it makes it a formal thing. So this is a formal sentence. Okay, it's a formal sentence. What's up? What's up? What's up is so informal. C'est pour dire, how are you doing formally. What's up? Formally it says, how are you doing? So what's up? It's a pleasure to meet you. That is so formal. It's a pleasure to meet. Ravi de faire votre connaissance. Pleased to have met you. It's a pleasure to meet you too. So this is a formal setting. So, do you have any examples of an informal setting? Do you have? For example, you can say bye. Bye, y'all. You know, bye, y'all. Or bye, everyone. You know. Instead of saying goodbye, you say bye. That's an informal. And the formal setting would be, you know, good evening or goodbye, everyone. That would be formal. Or, you know, nice to meet you. So that would be formal. You know, that would be formal. So I hope that this helps you to identify formal and informal, in what setting, in what scenario, what to use. Go back to my past videos and refresh your memories. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to pop and leave a message or a question. Thank you.
Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com